Good morning everyone. Welcome to Biology. I am Beauty Prakasta, Department of Zoology, and I will teach you subject Biology. So my dear student, I hope that all of you are fine. And today it is just an introductory class for you, and I hope that you will enjoy. Introduction to Science. So my dear student, I hope that you have taken science as your stream by knowing what is science. And for many years you are learning science, and I hope that you know what is science. And if you don't know what is science, and if you have chosen science as your stream, then it will be not fruitful, right? So I hope that you know what is science. You have learned for many years. Yes or no? Yes. So, in a simple term, we can say that science is a subject which tells us about scientific facts. Okay? So, we can say that science is a way of learning through observation and logical reasoning. So, whatever thing is around us, if you observe it very close, if you question it, if you investigate it, if you experiment it, okay, then this all together we will call it is a science. Okay, so the process of gaining knowledge and investigating by making observation, posing questions, and testing through experimentation is actually science. So, dear student, you have studied a textbook of science in class 10, and that textbook consists of some special part. Okay, and now when you reached class 11, that single book is just divided into three parts. So you have to consider that in class 11 also you all are studying the same science, but the science have been divided into three parts. Okay, and that first part is physics, then second part is chemistry, and third part is biology. Okay, so our science stream, this three subject is the main subject. Okay, then other than that you will study mathematics. Okay, and the person who don't like mathematics, you can go for the option that is anthropology. Okay, then you have to study two compulsory subject, that is one is English and another is MIL. Whether you may, as a English medium student, you may take alternative English, and for Assamese medium they will prefer Assamese. Okay, so these are the three part of science in class 11 you have to study. Clear? Now this physics. So what you will study in physics? So already in science book you have studied some part. Okay, so in physics you will mainly learn about the universe, why the sky is blue. Okay, some questions are there in your mind, so to find that answer you will study this physics. Why the sky is blue, why in our surrounding the things are colorful. Okay, why we see something are black, some are white, some are other color. Okay, so all these questions answer you will find in physics. Why the car is moving, okay, why the rain is falling down, why it is not going up, all these questions you will find where in physics. Clear? Then chemistry is another, you can say, branch of science where you will learn about different chemicals. Okay, now for example, why the salt is in like this in taste. Okay, why the sugar is sweet. Clear? So different chemicals that are present in our surrounding, what type of chemicals they contain. Okay, in our surrounding many things are there, what they are made up of. Okay, so you'll learn about matters, solutions, salt, all these things in this chemistry. Okay, so in your class 10 science book you'll find that some part are talking mainly about the elements, then about the atoms, about the molecules. So all these things you'll learn in chemistry. Then the third branch of science is biology. So in biology, what you will learn? You will learn about the living form that are existing. Okay, you learn about yourself. So biology is mainly the study of living forms, living things, living organism. Okay, and here mainly you will learn about yourself. Okay, then the plants, animals, microorganism that is surrounding you, their relationship with you, your relationship with them. Okay, so these are the three branches of science that you need to study in higher secondary sessions. Okay, so in class 11 12 you'll study about them. This is the biology book, textbook for class 11. You can purchase it from market. Okay, now my dear student, today let us see that in biology what is the mark distribution. Okay, how the mark is distributed. So in biology, for theory there will be 70 marks, and for practical there will be 30 marks. Okay, so total it is 100 mark, and theory will be 70 marks and practical will be 30 marks. Okay, so you may have some question regarding the marks. So this is the division of mark. Out of 100, 70 will be theory and 30 will be practical. Clear? Okay, now let's see in theory 70 marks how the marks are distributed. So when you open your textbook, in content you will find that different units are written. Okay, so once you go through this video, you take your biology book and go through the content. There you will find that unit 1, okay, then unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5. 5 units are there. Okay, then you can mark there what are the different marks against this unit. Clear? So unit 1 is diversity of living world. So here this unit 1 title is diversity of living world, and this unit it covers 7 mark. Okay, then unit 2 structural organization in plants and animals. So this unit cover 12 marks. Unit 3 cell structures and function. This unit cover 15 mark. Unit 4 plants physiology, it cover 18 mark. Unit 5 human physiology, it cover 18 mark. So overall the total is 70, and this 70 is for theory. Okay, and about practical, when the practical classes will be started, that time we will discuss about the practical, the 30 mark, how the mark is distributed. Okay, so this is overall 70 marks theory, how it is distributed against the unit. Clear? Now let us see that in unit 1 diversity of living world, what are the different chapter. So chapter 1, the living world. Chapter 2, biological classification. Chapter 3, plant kingdom. Chapter 4, animal kingdom. So these 4 chapter falls under unit 1, diversity of living world, and this 4th chapter covers 7 mark. Okay, I hope that you have understood. So unit 1 consists of 7 mark, and this 4 chapter cover this 7 mark. Okay, then next unit 2, structural organization of plants and animals. It cover 12 mark. So chapter 5, morphology of flowering plants. Chapter 6, anatomy of flowering plants. Chapter 7, structural organization in animals. These 3 chapter cover 12 mark. So unit 2, structural organization of plants and animals. These 3 chapter, that is chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7 cover 12 mark. Unit 3, cell, structures and function, cover 15 marks. So under this, chapter 8, cell, the unit of life. Chapter 9, biomolecules. Chapter 10, cell cycle and cell division. So you may see that this unit cover 15 marks. So 15 marks is very important. So these 3 chapter, you may see that this 3 chapter is also very important to learn. Okay, so all the chapters are important, but you may see some marks covering. Okay, so these 3 chapter cover 15 marks. Unit 4, plant physiology. So this plant physiology, this part cover 18 marks. So chapter 11, transport in plants. Chapter 12, mineral nutrition. Chapter 13, photosynthesis in higher plants. Chapter 14, respiration in plants. Chapter 15, plant growth and development. So these 5 chapter cover 18 marks. So plant physiology, here you will learn completely about the plant. Okay, so what are the different functions, what are the different processes that are going inside the plant body. Okay, so we may say that completely the plant study. Unit 5, human physiology. So it cover 18 marks, and in this unit you will learn completely about human, completely about you. What are the different functions, different processes that are going continuously in your body, you will learn in this unit. So chapter 16, you will learn about digestion and absorption. Chapter 17, breathing and exchange of gases. Chapter 18, body fluids and circulation. Chapter 19, excretory products and their elimination. Chapter 20, locomotion and movement. Chapter 21, neural control and coordination. Chapter 22, chemical coordination and integration. So these are the chapter which falls under human physiology. So this all cover 18 marks. So my dear student, about this human physiology, this part, I hope that you have learned in class 10. And if you have not learned, you may go once through that portion of human physiology. Then it will be very easy for us to continue in class 11. So these are the 70 marks distribution, and under each unit there are some chapters. Okay, so this is about the syllabus of biology for class 11, and from next class we'll start our syllabus. Okay, so till today let's end here. Thank you and have a good day.